Hello students, welcome to my channel Anandsir.com. So today we will be doing a very important topic which is there in both GMAT, GRE and SAT. The name of the topic is absolute value. Now see, what is the meaning of absolute value? Roughly speaking, absolute value simply means taking a number without the sign, or you can say with the plus sign, with a positive sign. That is, the absolute value of 5 is 5, and the absolute value of minus 5 is also 5. Okay, here these two bars means the absolute value, right? So if we have a variable x which is equal to 5, then what could the value of x be? The value of x can be either 5 or minus 5, right? Also, if I say that absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5, it means either x can be 5 onwards, 5, 5.1, 5.2, say 5, 6 onwards, or it can be negative 5, negative 6 onwards, and all the numbers in between them. It means for this type of function, what you can write, either x is greater than or equal to 5 or x is less than or equal to minus 5. To make it more clear, what you can do, you can simply take a number which is greater than 5, plug in over here, say let me take number 6, plug in over here, absolute value of 6 is 6, yes, it is greater than 5. And if I take a number less than minus 5, say x equals to minus 6, plug in over there, we get this as 6, which is again greater than 5, right? Now in GMAT, GRE and SAT, what types of question may come? They may give you that x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7, then what does x represents? Means what's the range of x? So here what we can do, we can again say take the same thing. We will remove the absolute values and we write x minus 3 is either greater than or equal to 7 or x minus 3 is less than or equal to minus 7. I hope this is clear, this point is clear. So x adding 3 on both sides, we get either x is greater than or equal to 10 or x is less than or equal to minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. This is the forward question, but sometimes they may ask you, if this is given, how to represent this in absolute value form. Say x is greater than or equal to 8, x is less than or equal to 2. We need to express it in modulus form. So here I can simply give you a formula. Formula says x minus m is greater than or equal to L minus m. Here m means the mean of the two values given, that the smaller plus larger by 2, and L means the larger value. Okay, so here we have x minus, what's the mean over here? Mean is 8 plus 2 by 2, which is 5, right? So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5, so I write this. And this sign will be of the larger number. See, the sign with the larger number is 8. The sign with the larger number is greater than, so I write greater than, larger minus mean. So the final answer is greater than or equal to 3. You can just go backwards and see whether you get these two answers or not. Okay, see, x minus 5 greater than or equal to 3, or x minus 5 less than or equal to minus 3. So I get x is greater than or equal to 8, or x is less than or equal to 5 minus 3, which is 2. Let me give you another question. You can now pause the video, do it yourself, and then you can just play my video and see the solution. Okay? So here, x is greater than 7, x is less than minus 1. Yes, you can start by pausing the video. Okay. Coming back, I here see that the mean is 7 plus minus 1 by 2. That gives me 6 by 2, that is 3. So I use the formula x minus mean. Then larger number is 7, so greater than larger minus mean. So we have x minus 3 greater than 7 minus 3. So x minus 3 is greater than 4. Again, if you want to recheck, you can just write it like this and like this. And then you can write x is greater than 4 plus 3, or x is less than minus 3 plus minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1. So dear students, hope you have understood this concept clearly. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.